wanna see me on a Whoa, a beach where I come from, I'm come check my friend Candy. In the bar, yeah. I'm come now. Yeah. Yes, hi Damien. Yeah. I'll be a wave now, wave after I'm gonna say something now. Look like someone I look good. Miras. Yes, as you can see, I will meet them. Just come to them to talk about things for life. We're going in my life and people life. We try. Yes. Yes, people. I don't know if you hear me there. And some so good girl if you see me and leave me alone and stop try to hold me down in a life. Cause what? Remember some not rich yet and them just see me and a bad mind the thing, the little dollars them I get. Yeah. I'm a friend that people. Yes, it's so good girl them about the place. Yes, when I become a big bad and brave, yes. I mean, if I know someone who must know me. Yeah. Come look for my friend, yes. I mean, you say a bag of things them a chat down here. About me and them not talk about me, them are too much things. It's so nice to make bitch try to hold me down. Them say me so coded. Yes, of course, you have to do that in a life at times. But them a hide and a suck for them. With me not hide. You see the girl where walk and chat that? Yes. Want to come tell me that in my face? Cause you look like she knows something about me, yeah. Look a nice friend, she had trouble me. Yes, Candy, I still come see her there. See how she nice? Yeah. Sean Mark, and I like you. So nice. How me work? I don't work. My boyfriends take care of me. Yeah. I when I say, oh, your work, come better, come better. Come and come, go talk to me straight. Come here, deal with everybody straight. What's that? So where are you, Adrian? Robin. As you can see, a beach. Nobody natural me. There is. It's a bag of things. I see my nice friend. You want to see how we nice?
Hi. Hi. We soon come back. We soon come back on it. I get a call, yeah?
Yes, we soon come back soon, so.
Stay in tune.
Yes, stay in tune.
I call the boss. sushi back on a girl.
What? I think I want to say, yes, Adrian, what you said now? Hi. Yeah. Yes. So bag of things I'm going to try for same so I got one party, yes. Some bitch from nowhere, I don't even know them. I don't even know them. But she look like say problem mark for me. I mean a girl who can't take problem. So a girl look problem with me. We just like what? As somebody you are looking at Adrian, you look somebody hard. Do something extra like what? So yes, now Adrian. Talk to me, Adrian. Do something extra like what? My friend is calling me now. So Adrian, if you're not saying I am going like no. Stiffy! 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 Not the full wife. Him. What? Dirty Javan! Javan! Look like say me and you fuck already married, so yeah, come baby me son. You ever fuck me married? Cause them say me a whore, so me just remind me. Please. Remind me now. As it look like say me and you did enough things. Yes, that's true. Next week I'm getting one. Yeah, I get my food. I don't have any money to give away. Go on now. Really, Maurice? That's a lie. I never date a guy by the name of Maurice Brown. Where are you from, Maurice? I can't talk. I'm telling you something, no work at people man mind me, righty? I not cause nobody that man ask me how me do work like me sell pussy. Me not sell pussy, a girl man mind me, righty? I never work for any day bad. This is not my business. What you talking about? What? What you talking about again? What the fuck you talking about? You visiting your business yesterday? I'm not in any lipstick, baby. I am not in no lipstick. See, natural. See, lipstick. Lips look like them sweet. They're none of my lipstick, baby. That's my natural lips. I'll be a nice something. Hi. That's my friend. Somebody sitting on the phone or something. Let me get the here. My megabytes are done. I can't send one Maurice. Yes, the megabytes are done. Mario, the funny Mario. Mario, I'm going to text you guys on Messenger, okay? Can I? Mario. Mario, can I text you on Messenger? Are you available on Messenger? Talk and talk very clear. Oh. Mario sent me for inbox in private. Okay. Alright.